User settings allows you to make modifications to an individual's time off information. You can get to the user settings by clicking on Manage Users at the left-hand side of your screen, then go to User List, then click on the User Settings button next to the user in question. First, let's look at the Allowance tab. From here, you can see which time off types have been added to the user, the yearly allowance for each type, what will happen when the renewal date comes up, the renewal date, if requests of this type auto-approve, the restriction on how this user is able to use the time from this type, and the name of the policy that is applied. Note that all the information on this screen is populated by the time off policy that has been applied to them. If you would like to edit any of these settings for this individual, click on the Edit button to the right of the time off type and you'll be able to make any changes you wish. These changes will only affect this user and will not make changes to the policy you created earlier. Keep in mind, any changes you make here will not affect the balance or balance accrual. If you need to make changes to a user's balance, click on the Balance tab. Click on the Edit button next to the balance you wish to change. From here, you can add or subtract hours or days from their balance. While it's not required, it is highly recommended that you add a note stating why you are making the change. This note will appear in the audit trail and will be helpful to sort out any mix-ups. Approval path allows you to choose how requests are approved. Any manager means any one of the approving managers can approve the request. X out of Y means you can set a certain number out of all the approving managers to approve the request. For example, 2 out of 3. Specific sequence means that the request will have to be approved by managers in a certain order. Management allows you to edit who manages an employee and if that manager receives request emails from that employee. Auto-approve means that if this manager submits a request for this employee, that manager's request will be auto-approved. If the policy you added to the employee contains an accrual, you can view and edit the accrual information for that particular employee under Balance Accrual. Remember, if you have changed the allowance for just this user and have an accrual on the policy, you will also need to update the accrue by manually to coincide with the changes. Banked time allows you to manually transfer approved bank time to a time off type. Service accrual allows you to view which length of service is applied to this user and change it if need be. Calendar view allows you to add additional users to this person's calendar. Finally, Options allows you to change the number of hours in a full day, change their calendar year, set the days in their work week, and allow this user to see the time off types of others' requests.